Well, motocross fans, we are here at Roy Knott Motorsports Complex, and you are watching a young man. He's only 5 years old, learning how to ride here at Roy Knott Motorsports Complex. As you can see, he took a spill, but I promise you, he's going to get right back up, and he'll do just fine. He is a tough little character. Him and his father out here enjoying their Sunday afternoon here at Roy Knott Motorsports Complex. Dad giving him some instruction there, but he's doing really, really good. The other riders that are here riding, they know that he's out here on the course, and they're keeping an eye out for him. They're doing an outstanding job of safety here. We only have just a handful of riders left here riding. But again, this kid is only 5 years old, and he's doing a great, great job riding. As you can see, the riders will slow down as he comes through. Once again, race fans, you are watching a five-year-old learn how to ride. Him and his father here at Roy Knott. This is what it's all about, race fans, is getting these young kids involved in racing, keeping them out of trouble.